Yeah, one way to speak to humanity is through acting. I want to tell you that acting has become one of the way we educate the youth. So in a simple language, I would say edutainment, where we educate, inform, or entertain. And today I want to talk about our own personality, our very own brother, who happened to be Sebastian Wesley. This very young man started off as an actor and grew in the industry. From acting, the production crew, from the production crew, he rose to become a professional DOP, where he cultivated the habit of handling cameras with his magic and all that. And then he also rose and became a producer, and then he's now the boss of himself. Now let's start with his movie career, where he started off as an actor. He acted so many movies and series, of which one particular one that I can at least lay hands, or where my mind can actually settle on, is this particular one that has really got me in Ghana, which is High School Fever, of which myself I happen to be one of the audience that really enjoyed that particular series. He played a very significant role in the series, which is the High School Fever. And grew up and grew up and grew up. He started moving on to sets as a crew member, where he had to learn from a lot of production houses, producers, directors, and all that. And he cultivated the habit of handling camera, of which he became a professional DOP, which is director of photography. And then he never relented on his efforts. He bossed on and also built on his capability and came out as one of the finest producers. He produces a lot of movies, series, and of which for now I would want to hold the names. I want to hold on with the names. I just want to talk about how he has journeyed his way through the industry, and now he is what he is today. From producing, he started his own production house, which is Don Wesley Multimedia. Don Wesley Multimedia gained popularity, one, because of one significant thing he has always been doing: educating the youth on our culture. Because we've come to the realization that as we are growing, we are all forgoing our culture and practices. And this very young man thought otherwise, of bringing in a way to educate the youth of our laws and prestige customary, the customary rights and the custom, which is the culture we cherish a lot. So Don Wesley Multimedia is purposely known to be promoting the Evers culture. So you get to know from past some of his movies he has done as the owner and the custodian of Don Wesley Multimedia. And because I'm not that familiar with these words, I want to show you some of the movies he has actually premiered ever since he started the Don Wesley Multimedia. So Sebastian Wesley, like I said, he started off as an actor, grew up in the industry, and became a crew member. As a crew member, he had to cultivate the habit of learning on various sets he was called up to, learn from various directors, photographers, and all that. And from then, he also became a professional photographer, where he had to become the DOP. DOP, he has filmed a lot of projects in Ghana. I wouldn't want to say only to the Voltarians, but when you go to the Ashantis, where we have this jargon, the Kumawood, the Comericans or the Central Americans, most of these producers know his handiwork, of which he has also worked with a lot of them. Is it Batman or whatever? I just want to mention just a few names. And also, he grew from a DOP and became a producer, where he had to be producing a lot of movies and all that. And then he had to own his own production house, which happened to be Don Wesley Multimedia, of which, like I said earlier on, these were the very few movies he came out with and all that. Like I said, acting is a way of speaking to life. If we've gotten some young personality that have taken it upon themselves to be bringing out their ideas into acting, at least there is a way we should embrace our very own. Remember, we have a good teacher and a bad teacher. Likewise, a good director and a bad director. You should actually know who and where you want to exploit your talent. Thank you so much. Okay, like I said earlier on, that acting is a way of bringing out our ideas into reality. And it has become a way of educating the youth through acting. And acting should rather be seen as a way of educating the youth, which is edutainment. You educate and you also entertain. And we have a very young man in the studio with me, and I would want to have a tete-a-tete conversation with him. So, without much ado, I want to introduce our own very young man. Ofa.
Obeni.
Ocho, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Obeni.
Ocho, your friend?
Ocho, your friend Prophet Yaobedu.
Yaobedu. Wow. Ocho, friend, what is it?
Oh, you the baby flip Akutia.
Akutia.
Yeah, but me bomb bra Dowenya.
Dowenya.
Na me bomb bra.
Okay. Ushia Don Wesley. If you do not think na Ushia Don Wesley.
Oh, Mishiano 2016 more.
2016.
And Mishiano.
Probably about 4 or 5 years now.
Yeah.
Okay. And Ushia, what has become your experience with him in terms of acting, or what has become your experience with you and Sebastian Wesley or Don Wesley Multimedia?
Oh, okay. Mishiano na acting no ye many swadi hu na kan pese you remember. Na me nyi obi a obeboa me a obedi me nyama metumi ewuram. But emre kakra no ama me be shia Don said the woka. So na me shia no na odi mi wure na odi mi wure mu no so no eboa me pa ama o chire me said you see acting ya dia ama me so eboa me ama me ni so ade mu etumi ye e
ene wayade Prophet you can acting ene ne bien
you can acting ya the me say acting ye akoye say ye di agro ofi na me kai mechi a se me ne me ndam fofo nam ana bia me ne me nua no po nam a etumi ofi edi agro etumi didi plate etumi biane ne ebro ye ho bo se me nua bi tumi fa na me jane etumi to ba ko ne bon etumi to bom ba sana ni na no e acting na ni bi wure mu no ana me dwe ko me chi na mu se san nya ma na me yi ofi me ne me nua ne na ofo yi na sana ne ye acting na etumi be wure sana ye no na wo Tema managing I said, fake agro.
I say acting is more or less like stepping out of reality.
Yes.
Good. Oh, before we won't baby say, so one year boy, ultimate kuma brother. The Indian America say, so 1 year boy, ultimate kuma brother. One say acting, I say, never open. What are some of the things you put in place? If you say acting like demands a lot, so also based in a man at least a for a bill was say we got people 1 week, it was set 2 weeks. Never be while we are jai, no what different variety. And see, find your money fee. How we anyway.
Oh, me because na makuma swadia because same year me na me wure mu no na ebusuafo nim bi ene nkofo bi no na mo yo ma adwen se emwa na akora bi ofo adwuma na emwa na wo se ijai ba ma fa ma adwen ye de amo mo tie ma fa ma adwen mo ko ha iti ba ma fa ma adwen mo na me wure mu no so no opini metumi aka se eye de eboa me pa me ye lusa ko mo twemi san wo abra but me wure mu no ye mani je ma wa just agro di ni tumi du le bia well go le cassette we prophet o sa ko ye we na one ye hu jimi a ho ana one mpre one ye hu jimi a mo bia o tumi du ho
no ni ka se one ye aboa o tumi kuma boda abra bonu sana ko
ye te bebi no tumi bra me ho ase me tumi da fo mo mu tietia me so ba na me ni dia wo ma adwi mu ma bre me ho asa me da fo ni etiti nye se bia me ni nyansa ho me pe bibi if you be chain. But say na mo bi so na me do baby. Sana nyame oye na ati. So
it's the prophet.
Opinion.
And then I can't say P. And he said, "Me person me bisa say, I feel no more away anymore. This year 2021. I feel no more away anymore. If I know share, upe say Don Wesley Multimedia age. Upe so be now. Upe say age like at what level will you want to get to?"
Onyame adom Mr. Brad say, "Ewurade ma ye bu eni me kwechile pa because ye hwe omo hye ase no mo du echile pa o hwe lewe no mo na etutrifo na omo wom na se du omo akom anim no yeso ye mpa ebo no se ye ntumi nko enim sa na da ache no yeso ye benya mfaso de efam wa ye man no ana se ye ma omo ba na se ye busua no until say the next 5 years no me pa body say Ewurade ma ye nso no ye nye kese ko sisi e be kese na Ghana ye nye mfaso e ma ye penifo.
I want you to advise who if to be a person the man omo mo hwe kola penifo ma before ni papa fo ye nua ni ye bibia ya danfofo a omo hwe efefi afuto ben na person the mom. With regards to acting, signature.
Yeah. Afutuo kakra me de bemo mo ne se signature no urema abemufuo ho o mebu abem se urema director for no beda producer for no beda sansem ni na eye ntro eye abemufuo because nipa na wo a wo ko weni mu krampo no de wo nche no eye ne ya to bebu abem se de be ya untumi nye de untumi nko ana mesre ye maame no ye papa nso ye ne ye ma no ofie na ye ma ne nya akonya se omo bedi dwuma bi se o mewura se ni twema maame papa enye boni o bua wo pa no na onwem eye sala ye ni na ye wo hwe ye mpanifo lewe ni ejako ni ma omo so omo fa sa challenge abemu buo bae but omo ntie de ni pa ye de e kan nti abrabo no se wo pese o ko weni ma ho me ntie de ni pa be kase wa wo nim se de wo je no e de mfa so de be bre odaachi e de bia bre wo busua de a mentie de obi o nchen e be kan afa ho da se wo bia se wo ka se wo di ni pa no echi a ma me papa untumi nko anim da ti mu nkwala na mu TV echi na bia mu tie mi na mo hwe mi assembly so wa adwe se sini no betwa e ma bibi bia lensi okwan e ma wo maame ana wo papa bi enu ntwe nsa wa brabom eye se ye betie ye maame efutuo eye se ye betie papa no efutuo na so yankase nim de beboa ye so a e wo se maame fo no omote yase ti maame fo ne papa fo etori bia ye ma no mu pia bontie o mu hu nyama bebre o mu hu de akos bebre no mo de abefia be ka kire enti se oba no be ka san semi so be so wura twini dwema aye munja isa abembufu asemo na no na mo akwala ne daachi ama nkwala no mo ntumi nsipi ti ye mo aye nkwala no na o mo daachi nsipi no mo so mo ntumi ndu sala no ko ma me papa enyi obi na ko school wo hwe sini twema ye won ko ho e broma ko school me kura me tie kura school no kura man ko bi but me see ma dwu pese me yesi ni edwuma eno na di me du pepe so me du ama nda nyame hu me mobo esa ga do ma chede asa aka me ho ta me di no prophet ye de eso no ti me hwe abusua na me frima ebi ni ho ka me de me ho tu abusua fo so na me brother no bi so a ko mo twe me san wa brabom but man fo mo mu bia se manya se ama nde onyame adumti hwe be bia medu ti ma me papa kakra me tumi aka je mo se mo mofra no kwan no mo so de opeso mo ye de bo man na omutumenye na ebesi omuye openi masem no.
We've just had a nice tete-a-tete conversation of which we've been able to get into the skin of our guests who happen to be Prophet Yaw-Bedu. Hey, it's Lasisi Babatunde Jambi, the American Muslim. Until then, I would want to leave you with one word, that the best way to communicate our conscience to the world is through acting. And be very much careful of how you act. Your actions and inaction will definitely tell people who you are. And remember, the world will only suffer not by the violence of them, but by the silence of the people that watch the wicked one take their actions. Thank you so much.